the messengers came to make the route to Allah clear. You know that He is the Creator. You know that He is unique in that He is the Lord in a unique sense. Then He is the only one who deserves our worship. He's the only one who deserves our worship in all of its aspects. Meaning, our whole lives are supposed to be worship, expressions of worship. So our whole lives should reflect worship directed towards Allah alone, without any intermediaries between ourselves and Allah. And Allah said in Surah Al-Dhariyat, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I only created the jinn and human beings for my worship, in order to worship me. Not out of a need which I had, but a need which they have. And He also told the messengers, or told us with regards to the messengers in Surah an-Nahl, 16th chapter, verse 36, وَلَقَدْ بَعَثْنَا فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولًا أَنِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاجْتَنِبُوا الطَّاغُوتَ. Indeed, I have sent to every nation a messenger, saying, worship Allah and avoid false gods. So that was the essence of the message of the messengers. The purpose of our creation was worship, and the messenger's job was to ensure that our worship, that we understood that worship is to be directed to Allah alone. So that specifying Allah as being the only source of worship becomes our expression of Tawheed al-Ibaadah, or unity of worship.
لا